So what is up everybody, hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat video recording not working. So basically when this problem occurs, like like your normal functioning camera and Snapchat doesn't work somehow. So the first thing could be if your phone's camera is physically damaged. Now remember, if your phone's camera is physically damaged, then like it's not going to be solved from in-app settings. You have to take it to a technician and solve it. So if it is like damaged like from outside physically, then I can't do anything, just fix it, take it to a technician. But if it is fixed due to some in-app bug or some kind of stuff, then you can follow these steps to fix it. But before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix it. So yeah, the first step, just close Snapchat. Once you close Snapchat, you can just hold on the Snapchat icon. After you hold on the Snapchat icon, you can click on app info. Once you click on app info, what I want you guys to do is go on storage usage, click on clear data, and click on clear. So basically what this is going to do is this is going to clear all the cache and data stored by Snapchat in your phone, and it's basically going to reset all the setting of Snapchat. So yeah, after doing that, just go back and click on permissions over here and make sure all this permission is turned on. Do not turn off any permission. Make sure all the permission is turned on. The most important one is camera. So by doing that, we are allowing Snapchat to use the camera of our phone, because if we do not allow it the access, then it won't be able to use our phone's camera, because Snapchat doesn't has the access to use it. So make sure to turn all of this on, and after all of this is turned on, just close it and then go to your Snapchat again, and this time you need to log into your Snapchat, because after clearing data you need to relog into your Snapchat account. And after relogging into your Snapchat account, you should basically be able to use your Snapchat camera like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, comment down below if you guys have any question related with this video. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out.